Oh, what's up, guys? It's me, Aces here. Back today in my laptop playing Roblox. Opo. Okay. What should we play? Ooh, hole in the wall. I wanna play this hole in the wall. In the wall. Hole in the wall. Hole in the wall. Addison back me. And she's using cell phone. She's not doing exam in her laptop all. You already have exam your canvas?
That's not exam.
It is.
That's just canvas.
It is an exam. Clear. Please make me out.
Oy, Ace. Oh,
It's
yeah.
a vlog.
Please bring me.
Ay, banog.
No, it's not me. Her.
Nandito ko yan na.
Green laptop.
Don't follow us on TikTok.
Don't follow me on
Go!
TikTok.
He has 1 million subscribers already.
Follow me on TikTok. Wolf Gamer. Follow me on
Ace.
TikTok. Wolf
Gusto mo
Gamer.
i-edit ko yung vlog?
Yes.
Yan na yung pinagagawa sa'yo.
Boomy.
Dito na nga ako sa canvas.
Boomy. Not clear. Please be meter. Fighter. Because I never have.
Be right and buy me shoes.
Miranda!
Let
Again.
me fix first. Let me fix it first. So,
Ate.
wait, we need a... See?
I'm gonna go. Ate.
Mag-homework ka. Hindi ka nag-homework.
Clear. Please be my turn.
Okay, you let them...
I never do this. I never did it. It's me. Yes.
Ruby. Ace, pakita mo to sa kanila, sa fans mo. Ace, pakita mo muna to sa fans mo.
This.
Ilalaro daw to ni Ace.
No, I didn't let it show it to me.
This is what my brother's gonna play.
No, I'm not gonna play that.
You don't want to make a boy?
Yes. Wait, what are you doing? Bananas. Okay, this is kind of bored.
Papas mo ulit yung vlog. Now go. Stop. Drop. Can we play together later?
Okay, what should we play? Ooh! I should have to add this account.
No!
Just kidding. I remember that I hacked from your account. Ooh.
Kurt was on your...
Ang alay, bang balay. Wait, what?
Kurt was on your back.
Bawal ang juice, bawal ang tsaa, bawal ang gatas, bawal ang kape, bawal ang tea, lahat bawal. Tubig lang daw ang pwede.
No work, no pay. Hindi tayo mamamatay pa sa coronavirus. Mamamatay tayo sa kuntong. No work, no pay.
Inisikad yung kalan ko eh.
Ay, Ami, tingnan niyo yung host niyo.
Bakit mo nakabunse bago kayo gusto? Minsan na may sigaw, kung may butas, yan. Ay, kung nadali na.
Ayan o.
Ayan o.
Hey guys.
Bago yung kalan ko yan.
Oh, kitty. As we already find the
Ilang araw ay gagawin mo?
Gagawin mo lahat kasi mga teacher mo, mag-aano na naman, magme-message na naman
I mean,
sa
nothing is kitty.
Si Ace nga kahapon, nag-aray kami.
Ah,
Isa ka lang natuloy.
and you don't know, I did like a hack at the shops. Look how many sheets I got. I didn't let me do the hack, right, Dada? Right, Dada, you let me do the hack. I got this traps. What?
Patitingnan ko yung ano.
Saan ba binili?
TikTok.
Yung asahin na yun,
Wait.
3,000 plus yun.
Over here.
Kami nga ni Balat si Raymond.
It is good now.
Bili ko na kasi may taga-repeat si Raymond. Bigat na, di ba?
Okay,
Tapos,
guys, we
sabi ko
should
palitan ko kasi
outfit first.
nakatapat nga yung isang burner mo sa
Party
lamesa.
mode.
Sabi ko sabi
Time
ko,
to play party mode. Party mode.
pero
Party mode.
siguro yan. Kabaka yan.
Party mode. Is this like parkour? Why people choose parkour? I want to do imposter. I mean prop hunt. No, they did. I want a prop hunt. I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's just stop it. Let's just dance here. Okay, I don't want to play that. Ooh, what do you got? Who can I guess? Challenge. I think got the last of Robux. You didn't say that. I didn't say that, okay? Hey, Becca! Hey, I'm just gonna make a private server because he got a lot of Robux. He got it.
Ito pang labat eh. Diba? Kita mo to kalahati lang.
Oh, I know now. You need to dodge it. I don't know. So everyone is doing good. Yes, everyone is doing great. Yes. All from the video now. So, time. So.